Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Please welcome to Home Garden and Fashion. First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and please do go to my Facebook fan page and give me a like there if you haven't been there already. In today's video, I'm going to share my idea of how I cook radish and radish green. So as you know, to start it off with little bit of olive oil, about half to 1 teaspoon. And to that I'm going to be adding a pinch of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, and about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic chop. And we're going to make all this brown. So now that my cumin seed, garlic already brown, to this I'm going to add about 8 4-inch slices of radish and radish greens. So these came about in 2 bunches, and to cook radish you really have to wash it and clean it very well, and then after that you have to make really small fine pieces. If you keep them big they will not cook. So we're going to pour all this now. You can lower the heat and you can put little bit of water, or you can cook without it. As long as you cover it, it will cook without the water. You cook in the vapor. So to this I'm going to add some salt, about 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon turmeric, and I'm going to add some vegetable masala, about 1 teaspoon. Now you let it cook, cover about 10-15 minutes, and then you check it, and after that you can add little bit of water if it's still not soft. So I'm going to cover it and cook it for about 10-15 minutes, and if it's still not soft after that, then I'm going to put half cup of water and then cook 10 more minutes until it's soft. So now it's already 10 minutes and I open the cover. As I see, this is little bit cooked but not fully cooked. So but I don't need to use any water. As you see, this is releasing a lot of water, and I'll just keep it in low heat and cover and let it cook for 10-15 more minutes until all the radishes are cooked. So I'm just going to put a cover and let it cook for 10-15 more minutes in very low heat until all the radishes are cooked. So now it's almost 15 minutes is cooking, and as you see, the radishes has gotten really soft. So now it's ready, and at this point you can add some chili pepper if you like it hot. I just don't like it too hot, so I will be keeping it just like this. So as you see, this is very tasty, healthy and yummy radish and radish green together. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video, and I'll be seeing you with many more videos. Now my videos is going to be mixed from now on with Hindi and English, because a lot of my subscribers has asked me to do the videos in Hindi as well. So thank you. I'll give you a picture. Have a great day. Bye bye.